Whilst traveling through VidCon, I stumbled upon a booth very great, awesome products they made, a plethora of mics to satisfy your likes. An excellent one they sent me. Oh, just you wait and see. I'll show it to you through this review I shall do. In case you happen to not speak the language of poorly written poetry, a really cool company called MAONO recently reached out to me and sent me one of their USB condenser desktop microphones to review. So, I am here to do a little unboxing of it. Here we have the MAONO Desktop Podcasting USB Microphone and Condenser Set, model AU-A04R. As you can see on the box, it comes with the USB condenser microphone, the USB cable, the installation ring, a tripod, a user manual, and a foam windscreen. When you open up the box, the first thing that you're going to find on the very top is the microphone itself. Underneath, you'll find all the other pieces used to build the microphone, including the foam windscreen, the tripod, the ring connector, and the USB cable. Now, I'm typically not very good at assembly, nor am I very tech savvy, but I will say that this microphone was very easy to unbox and put together. I didn't even have to read the directions, and everything fit together so nice. The ring connector screws right onto the tripod, and the microphone screws right onto the ring connector. The USB cable goes into the bottom through the ring connector into the microphone, and the foam windscreen goes right on top. Overall, a very smooth setup and easy assembly. The microphone has a clean design and is the perfect size to put anywhere on your desk, or wherever you like to record. As you can see, it plugs right into the USB on my laptop and is compatible with both Mac and Windows operating systems. Up until recently, I had been using a microphone that many of you may be familiar with, which is the Blue Snowball microphone. The audio from it was decent at best, but using my MAONO microphone, in contrast to the Snowball, you could hear a major difference in quality. Right now, I'm using my Blue Snowball microphone, and if I'm not very careful, the microphone could be way too quiet. Additionally, if I talk like this, more animated how I usually do in my videos, there are some points where the audio just really peaks and sounds statically, which isn't very good. However, my MAONO microphone does not have this problem. But now, when I switch over to my MAONO microphone, you can hear a great difference in quality, with the audio being crisp and balanced. This microphone is super easy to set up, store, and use, and is sold on the MAONO website for a very reasonable price. Overall, I'm very happy with this microphone, and think it is the perfect mic for anyone looking to purchase an inexpensive, high-quality USB microphone. If you're someone who makes videos, streams, podcasts, or does any voice acting of any sort, I strongly believe that this will be the perfect microphone for you. To get yourself one, head on down to the first link in the description, and you could get yourself one of these awesome microphones. And if you do buy one, make sure to tweet at me with a picture of you in the microphone, and I will feature them in the end card of a future video, along with a shoutout. Thank you so much to MAONO for partnering with me on this video, and I hope you all enjoy the microphone as much as I do.